How to track your orders on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. After you land to the View page, different options will appear. Click on the option of your orders. Now in this page you're going to find all of your orders. In the case you cannot find your order over here, click on the option of self-service to find order. Now here you're going to find different options to track your order. First, you can type in your phone number to find your order. Likewise, you can also use your email address, order ID or payment information. Choosing any of these options, you can easily track your order. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. I have selected email address. After you select the option of your choice, just type in the email or phone number or payment information or the order ID. After you type in, you can click on Find Order, and just with that, you will be able to track your order. Well, this way you can easily track your orders on Temu. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.